Hi and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and in today's video I'm participating in the $5 Goodwill Challenge for fall. This challenge is hosted by Hilary of Old World Home, and I will link below to her playlist. I have been all about big framed prints all this year and last year, and so for my $5 Goodwill Challenge item, I found this giant print of some ducks. I'm assuming that they are mallard ducks. I don't know. If you know what kind of ducks those are, let me know. On the back it says Canadian geese. These are obviously not Canadian geese. Apparently I've been spending a lot of time at the Habitat for Humanity Restore because I have gotten a lot of big framed prints. Now this print that I have, it was originally listed as $8. I got it when it was 50% off, so I only paid $4 for this huge framed fall print. Here is a better picture of the ducks. Aren't they adorable? I really like the muted colors in this, and it goes so well with some framed art that I picked up last year, as well as this little guy that I picked up in my last thrift haul. So here is a piece of framed art that I picked up last year for fall. And here is another large framed print that I have from last year. And that also has ducks in it. I'm sure they're the same kind. Are they mallard ducks? I don't know. Let me know. And look in the background. There's a little house way back there. Isn't that cute? I have one other duck I want to share with you, and that is this really heavy brass duck. Again, I did get him last year while thrifting. But I'm really enjoying all of the ducks that I have in my decor now. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Again, I will have a link to Hilary's playlist for the $5 Goodwill Challenge for fall 2021 listed below in the description box. And as always, I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.